You are going to love the 2026 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, fog lights, dual pane panoramic sunroof, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.